Visit us on onestepenglish.education.
Hello. Welcome to English Conversation course of One Step English.
Today, we are talking about say when and where.
Say when and where. Events, dates, appointments, meetings, receptions, parties, concerts, classes, etc. all have set days, times, and locations that are indicated by certain prepositions. Say when and where. The prepositions to use are in, on, at. In indicates the month or year of an event. For example,
when is Matthew's birthday dinner?
His birthday dinner is in November. In.
His birthday dinner is in November.
When is the celebration?
The celebration is in 2020. In.
The celebration is in 2020. In indicates the location of an event where the address is already understood. For example,
where's the movie?
The movie is in Theater A. In.
The movie is in Theater A.
Where's the meeting?
The meeting is in the boss's office. In.
The meeting is in the boss's office. On. On indicates the day or date of an event. For example,
when is your appointment?
The appointment is on Friday. On.
The appointment is on Friday.
When is Matthew's party?
His party is on April 4th. On.
His party is on April 4th. On. On indicates the name of a street and the address of the location. For example,
where is this movie?
This movie is at the theater on Global Street. On.
This movie is at the theater on Global Street. At. At indicates the time of an event. For example,
when is the reception?
The reception is at 10 o'clock. At.
The reception is at 10 o'clock.
When is the concert?
The concert is at 6:30. At.
The concert is at 6:30. At. At indicates the location of an event or number in the street address. For example,
where can I watch that movie?
This movie is at the Global Theater. At.
This movie is at the Global Theater.
Where is Global Theater?
The Global Theater is at 123G Global Street. At.
The Global Theater is at 123G Global Street.
Let's test your knowledge.
Choose the letter of the most appropriate response to each question or remark. Quiz number 1.
One. I wish we could take a vacation. A. Oh dear. B. Look, we can't afford it. The correct answer is letter B. I wish we could take a vacation. Look, we can't afford it. 2. We'd rather go to the mountains than the beach. A. Perfect. Let's say we all go to the beach. B. Listen, why don't you go to the mountains, and we'll go to the beach? The correct answer is letter B. We'd rather go to the mountains than the beach. Listen, why don't you go to the mountains, and we'll go to the beach? 3. Can you help me with these packages? A. Oh dear, I can't. B. Let's say no. The correct answer is letter A. Can you help me with these packages? Oh dear, I can't. 4. Are you graduating in June? A. I mustn't. B. I wish. The correct answer is letter B. Are you graduating in June? I wish. 5. Why is your project late? A. I have too much on my plate. B. Right. The correct answer is letter A. Why is your project late? I have too much on my plate.
Let's test your knowledge.
Choose the letter of the correct answer. Quiz number 2.
One. The game is blank, Fullerton High, in the gymnasium, blank, Friday at 8 o'clock in the evening. A. At, on. B. In, on. The correct answer is letter A. The game is at Fullerton High, in the gymnasium, on Friday at 8 o'clock in the evening. 2. Our wedding is blank, July, blank, Global Country Club. A. In, at. B. On, at. The correct answer is letter A. Our wedding is in July at Global Country Club. 3. The inauguration is blank, 2020 at the Capitol, blank, Washington, D.C. A. On, in. B. In. The correct answer is letter B. The inauguration is in 2020 at the Capitol in Washington, D.C. 4. The dinner is on Sunday at 7 o'clock in the evening, blank, Matthew's Restaurant, blank, the back room. A. At, in. B. In, at. The correct answer is letter A. The dinner is on Sunday at 7 o'clock in the evening at Matthew's Restaurant in the back room. 5. The show is, blank, May 23rd at 1 o'clock in the afternoon at the Art Gallery, blank, Heights Avenue in Global City. A. In. B. On. The correct answer is, letter B. The show is on May 23rd at 1 o'clock in the afternoon at the Art Gallery on Heights Avenue in Global City.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe.